Welcome back to Heart Talk FM. Tonight, we're getting straight into it. Being in love, I'm joined by a relationship counselor. Let me ask you this. People say I love them, but I'm not in love. What does that really mean?
Thank you. My name is Tay Wilson. I'm a relationship counselor, and I've spent years helping people understand love beyond just feelings. You can love someone, but not be in love with them. Love can become comfort, routine, but being in love is deeper. It's connection, desire, choosing that person fully. You can think you're doing the best to make them happy. Showing up, giving your time, your energy, but still feel like you're not good enough or like something is missing inside you, and that's where it gets difficult. Because now you're not just questioning the relationship, you're questioning yourself. So the real question is not just, do you leave? It's, are you staying because you truly want them or because you're afraid of starting over, of hurting them, of being alone? Because the truth is, love alone is not always enough.